Okay, in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys part 3 of the Inventor practice parts. Again, you need to have at least 8 of the 12 drawn, and this is going to be part 3 of those 12 parts. Okay, so what we're going to do, again, open up Inventor. I already have it open, and we're going to click on New and Standard IPT, create that. All right, once we're opened up here, we're going to click on Create 2D Sketch. And again, we're going to go back to that XY plane. And we're going to look at this object from the front view. So I'm going to select that particular plane. That brings me into that 2D world, which again, I'm going to start using my rectangle tool. And I'm going to go with the origin here. And I'm going to create a rectangle. Again, before you work with any part, make sure you count the overall length, the overall height, and the overall depth of the project, or the part I should say. And this one is 2 1/4 in the length. So we're going to go ahead and type in 2.25, and then tab over with that. And the overall height of this particular one is 1.5. So we'll tab over, press 1.5. Again, I'm going to double click my center mouse button, and there's my general shape for this particular project, for the particular part. And we're going to finish that sketch. I'm going to click on Extrude. And from Extrude, I'm going to extrude this out 1 full inch, because that's the depth of it. All right. From here, what I'm going to do is create another 2D sketch. I'm going to select on the front face, and I'm going to create a new rectangle. And I'm going to cut out that the top left-hand section. There's a rectangle up there, and that rectangle is a length of 1 inch and a height of 0.75. And I'm going to create a second one. I'll go from the top right-hand corner, and this one is the full length of 1.5 and with a width of 0.5. So I'm going to put in the width here first, because that's what it's asking for. Put in the width of 0.5 here, and then the height at 1.5, because it goes all the way from the top to the bottom. And I'm going to finish that sketch. Now both of these get extruded, so I'm going to cut this time. And they cut back, if you look at your drawing, they cut back at a 1/2 inch. They're 2 blocks. Remember, each block is 1/4 inch. So in this case, there are 2 blocks, so it's 0.5 or a 1/2 inch. And I'm going to select that surface and also that surface there. Click OK. And you can see how that part is completed. All we have to do is color it. Again, so the default's always that gray. So let's say we want to make it a red. I can make it a red part by changing the color. And we're going to go ahead and save this into your folder. So go to Save As. And this will be part 3. All right, so just label that as part 3 in your engineering or STEM folder. And save it right in there as an Inventor part file. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let your instructor know or ask a classmate.